The number you have dialed has been changed.
Legend of Burung Ruai. Ruai bird is an endemic animal from the province of West Borneo. Called endemic because they only can be found in certain areas. Once upon a time, there was a small kingdom. The small kingdom was led by a good and wise king, but unfortunately, the king's wife had long passed away since his youngest daughter was still small. The king has 7 daughters. The first to the 6 daughters are lazy and like to argue with her father. Different to her 6 siblings, the youngest daughter is a diligent and devoted child to her father. That's why the king loved his youngest daughter more than his other daughters. As a result, her 6 sisters were jealous of the youngest. My daughters, I will go to the next country for royal business. You are well at home. The envy and jealousy of the king's 6 daughters for their youngest sister was vented when the father was not there. They told his sister to do anything to make him suffer. When the youngest sister made a mistake, they hit her. As a result, the younger sister's face became bruised. When the king has been come home, he was surprised to see his youngest daughter's face was bruised. My daughter, why is your face bruised? I fell in park, so my face was bruised. Really, my daughter? Yes, I fell in the park while chasing butterflies. Because she was afraid, she would always cover up the cruelty of her sisters. The youngest daughter is afraid of her sisters. Every day there are always a thing to do because her sister tells her to do it. One day, the king will visit to a neighboring country for a long time. My daughters, I will work in a neighboring country for 2 months. Therefore, all of my royal affairs are left to the youngest. As long as I go, the youngest sister will hold power in the world. You all have to obey what the youngest sister said. The hatred of the sister for the youngest is getting worse. Jealousy is mounting. After their father left, they are planning and evil things to harm the youngest. I know a cave that has no end. The cave is located under the foot of Mount Ruai and has a small river with lots of fish. We just take the youngest to the cave and we leave her there. In the next day, the youngest sister brought by her older sister to the stone cave. The youngest was happy because she thought her sisters had chance to be kind to her. Adinda, you can go into the cave first to look for fish. We will follow you soon. Without asking much, the youngest went into the stone cave. The 6 older sisters were watched from behind. The youngest daughter, who did not thought bad of her old sister, continued to walk into the cave. She thought her sister would catch up with her. While her sisters returned to the palace, it seemed their plan was going well. Meanwhile, the youngest daughter was walking further and further. She felt that she had lost. Sisters, where are you all? I'm afraid. It's dark here. After days, the youngest just sat in the cave crying. She felt very afraid to be alone in the dark stone cave. On the seventh day, an old man came to the youngest daughter. "Hey, who are you, and what are you doing here?" The youngest daughter told her origins and the cruelty of her older sisters until she finally arrived at the stone cave. The grandfather felt very sorry for the youngest. "I really feel sorry for you. I will help you." Suddenly, every drop of eye water turned into eggs. The hands of the youngest suddenly turned into wings. "I will help you from the evil of your sisters, and I will turn you into a bird, taking care of the eggs, and they will hatch birds that will become your friends." Look at yourself now that you are fully a bird. From now, I will give you the name Ruai Bird. After turning the youngest daughter into a bird, the grandfather disappeared. As grandfather's message, the Ruai incubated the eggs, and 40 days later, the eggs hatched into the little Ruai. The youngest daughter, who had become a Ruai bird, flew out of the stone cave with her friends who had just hatched. The Ruai flew to the palace. They watched the king punish his 6 daughters for throwing away the youngest.